More Bitcoin miner news. Core Scientific gets $100 million equity financing despite the bear market. So what are we seeing? We're starting to see a reversal. And this is pretty crazy. This would be the quickest crypto winter I've ever seen if this fully reverses. Why does it feel like it is actually has the potential to fully reverse out of a crypto winter, and this outside of what I would consider, right? So as I look at the traditional halving cycle and I pay attention to that as my main guidance, I would assume that we would not hit any sort of relief from the bear market until 2024. That being said, when I see news like this is more of a long-term positive signal when we're seeing basically capital being pushed into a Bitcoin mining company, despite, of course, this bear market. The miner has the right but no obligation to sell the shares to investment bank B. Riley. The largest Bitcoin miner by hash rate, Core Scientific, has signed an agreement with investment bank B. Riley to issue up to $100 million of shares to the bank over 2 years to enhance liquidity. Core Scientific has the right but no obligation to issue the new shares, subject to some limitations and conditions according to a statement. The company plans to use this additional funding to bolster its balance sheet and help the miner expand. That's good news. You want to hear that they're using it to expand, meaning they are going to utilize that to increase the hash rate. Increasing the hash rate and planning on increasing the hash rate with, new capital coming in means that it's positive news for the price of Bitcoin as well. The deal comes as crypto bear market hammers shares of the publicly traded miners. Stocks of some of these publicly traded miners, including Cove, have fallen anywhere between 50 to 80% this year. The miner also issued B. Riley 573,381 shares of common stock as consideration for B. Riley's commitment to purchase Core Scientific shares. Core has been raising cash by selling some of the Bitcoin it has been mining. Last month, it sold 7,202 Bitcoins at an average price of $23,000 to raise about $167 million. The miner said it intends to use these proceeds from sales mainly for payments towards ASIC servers, capital investments, in addition to data center capacity and debt repayments. What does this also mean too? Because there's two really important things here. Bolster its balance sheet and expand. So expand, we'd already talked about. Why is bolstering your balance sheet good right now as a miner? Well, obviously what that's going to mean is that they don't have to sell as much Bitcoin. That means that the selling pressure is relieved on the largest Bitcoin miner currently out, which means that that is a good signal for price on Bitcoin. That is what I'm seeing as far as all this goes. I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions in the live chat and, of course, the comment section below, because I think that is extremely significant. Thanks for checking out this clip from the Crypto Mining Show. You can check out the full episode here or more crypto content down here. Also, I'd like you to check out my locals page at sonofatech.locals.com, where you can become a member for free or choose to be a $5 a month supporter that unlocks additional content.